Welcome to our new exclusive listing here in Sosúa Ocean Village, Las Palmas. Let's check it out. Your Caribbean lifestyle starts here. Send me an email, roberto@realtordr.com, and I'll see you on the other side.